Mrs. Lyndon B. Johnson's trails through Texas lead her to some of the most beautiful and most rugged country in the state, the Big Bend National Park. Her host and guide for the weekend is Secretary of the Interior, Stuart Udall. Though Mrs. Johnson is a native Texan, it is her first visit to this western region with its towering Chisos, or Ghost Mountains. Now comes a 5-hour trip on the turbulent Rio Grande through Mariscal Canyon. The vessel is a rubber life raft. Preceding it, there's a flotilla of such rafts carrying the retinue of press and security people. The First Lady's deepest impression of Big Bend country is the tenacity of life, an attribute that might be said too of anyone who survives a boat ride through this canyon into still water.